Did you know that making your own sweetened condensed milk is as easy as 2 simple ingredients and just about 45 minutes of your time? It's the perfect DIY recipe to use as a creamer and sweetener in your coffee or in a variety of different desserts. So we'll start in a saucepan off of the heat with our milk and our sugar. And as far as deciding how much to make, you will just want to keep in mind that it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So if you use 2 cups of milk, you'll end up with about 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. If you use 4 cups of milk, you'll end up with 2 cups of sweetened condensed milk, and so on. So we'll bring it to a simmer over medium-low heat, and the key here is really just patience. We want to continue to simmer on that low temp until the color of this starts to deepen and become this light beige color, and the texture of it is significantly thickened. Should look a little something like this. Now keep in mind it will continue to thicken as it cools. You'll want to cool it completely before storing in an airtight jar in the refrigerator. This keeps for up to 5 days, and it's just such a fun, easy substitute if you don't have the cans on hand. Let me know what you think in the comments.